Where did you?
Senior banker warns Bitcoin has a basic problem. Bitcoin has long struggled to justify its price, now hovering around the $3,500 mark, as it battles against network issues, extreme volatility, and stalling usage. The Bitcoin price fell steadily throughout last year, after rocketing to near $20,000 per Bitcoin at the end of 2017, as many of the sky-high expectations for the burgeoning sector failed to materialize as quickly as many had hoped. Now, Hovhannes Steenis, senior advisor to Bank of England Governor Mark Carney, has warned Bitcoin, as well as other major cryptocurrencies, fail the basic tests of financial services. "I'm not so worried about cryptocurrencies," Steenis told Bloomberg Television in an interview from Davos. "Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies fail the basic tests of financial services. They're not a great unit of exchange, they don't hold value, and they're slower." Bitcoin, along with many of its peer cryptocurrencies, has attracted criticism in the past for same issues Van Steenis highlighted. While there are attempts underway to speed up Bitcoin's ability to act as a medium of exchange, either online or in person, they are still in the early stages. Bitcoin's Lightning Network, which has continued to grow over the last year despite the Bitcoin bear market, is one such scheme and works by adding a second layer over the top of the Bitcoin blockchain, allowing users to carry out near-instant, secure transactions off-chain to free up capacity. Despite warnings from traditional bankers and the international banking community, others are still confident Bitcoin will eventually return to its all-time high price. An executive at Bitcoin wallet provider and exchange Coinbase has predicted his year will mean big changes for Bitcoin regulation around the world, while many of the world's richest people, Hong Kong billionaire Li Ka-shing, has thrown his weight behind the nascent technology. The Winklevoss twins of Facebook founding fame who went on to found the Gemini Bitcoin exchange said Bitcoin is better at being gold than gold, and over time the market cap of Bitcoin will surpass that of gold. Is the new Bitcoin bounce for real? After more than a month of trading in the red, Bitcoin BTC seems to have finally experienced a new bounce, starting on December 17th. The new surge came just after the weekend of sideways trading, and Bitcoin has seen a relatively sharp surge which has increased its price by $900 within a few short days. Now, investors are left wondering whether this bounce is the real deal, or is it something else that it's making BTC rise so unexpectedly. How did the surge affect BTC and the market? As mentioned, the spike-up started on December 17th, without any warning, and seemingly without a real reason. As usual, the change in Bitcoin's own behavior has affected the entire market, and most of the top 100 currencies started trading in the green for the first time in over 30 days. Many of these coins experienced a much larger surge than Bitcoin itself, such as ELS, which has gone up by over 25% at one point. In comparison, the Bitcoin increase remained in single digits. Even so, the current situation is still better than it was in the previous month, with Bitcoin's price exceeding $4,000. At the time of writing, Bitcoin's value is at $4,102, with a 0.65% increase in the last 24 hours. XRP and Tether USDT are currently the only two coins within the top 10 cryptos that are trading in the red, with the rest of them experiencing larger increases. This is especially true within Bitcoin's ecosystem, where Bitcoin Cash BCH is seeing a 30.53% surge, and Bitcoin SVBSV growing by over 23%. Is it real? The question on every investor's and trader's mind right now is whether or not the current growth is real and permanent. The crypto community has been speculating about this ever since the surge started on December 17th. Since then, many were claiming that the current situation is nothing but another attempt at market manipulation. Some analysts have even speculated that the change is a beginning of a art pattern, which starts with a price surge, followed by sudden spikes which go both up and down and then resulting in a drop which brings the asset's price close to the starting point. The pattern was named after the iconic character from The Simpsons, Bart Simpson, as it resembles the shape of the character's head. Many argue against this theory, stating that the current increase lasts longer than a typical R pattern, although it is still possible that the pattern will hold. For now, Bitcoin's price is higher than it was in weeks, and the same is true for its market cap, which has exceeded $71 billion. The total crypto market cap has grown as well, currently holding at $135.4 billion. Whether or not the recovery will hold still remains to be seen. For now, however, the increase is giving hope to investors and traders around the world, with many of them being optimistic, and claiming that this might be the start of a bull run that will return Bitcoin's value to heights experienced earlier in this year.